And this is why we got to fight to get it back. This is why, if I had Leah up here, Leah will just drill the fear of God into you about getting the teachings of Joseph Smith out there, because she's so passionate about it. Like, it's got to be out there. Like, we got to get this so it's accessible to people and available. And anyway, so we're working on that on our website. But just to get back to Genesis 49, in the King James Version, he continues talking about this descendant, this king, the stone of Israel that's going to come in the last days. And he says, the blessings of thy father, the blessings of Jacob, have prevailed above the blessings of my progenitors. So what Jacob received was greater than his father's, unto the utmost bound of the everlasting hills. It's tied to the new and everlasting covenant, not purpose of our conversation today. But he says, all of those blessings, all of the blessings of Enoch, all the blessings of the new and everlasting covenant will be given to Joseph, and on the crown, they'll be crowned on the head of this man that's separated from his brethren. Now, a better translation, if you go into a better, closer to the original Hebrew, is that all of the blessings of the new and everlasting covenant would be crowned on both the head of Joseph and on the crown of the Nazir of his brothers, or this prince, this royal king, this descendant of Joseph. So, right, it's all about, he's speaking to Joseph and he's like, you're the one who's going to have the king that's going to help get people to Jesus Christ. You're the one who's going to help save Israel through this descendant that you have. This is both political and spiritual. We don't have a lot of time to get into it, but in March of 1844 or April, it's hard to know the exact date, but Joseph Smith was actually crowned King of Israel in a private ceremony in Nauvoo. He is our political leader. He is our ecclesiastical leader. This is one of the reasons why he was killed, because there were people on the inside that were leaking the information. They were freaking out. This guy is setting up his own kingdom, and he kind of was. But it wasn't a kingdom of tyranny, and it wasn't a kingdom of destroying people's constitutional rights. It was taking us to the next step. And if you want to study that, go study the Council of 50.